Recently, my post was rejected. Major question is that lot of questions I have received by my WhatsApp and my Messenger chat. So my post rejected on Google Maps. Main issue is called my post is rejected. So my post is not accepted. While posting time, you have to compulsory follow it. What are the posting you done by? The two methods we follow it. Add updates. In update method we can select will be here. Add your content. Select your particular photography. The photography most should selected will be 1080 by 1080 size is selected. The size should be selected by the 1080 by 1080. You select by the particular size. There will be add your particular post option. So that will be what we can happen it. So that is image will be designed by your Canva. Where I mean design image is done here. Click this. Click for that. That is image format. Download it. Then in fraction of seconds, what are the image you have? Download will be here. Just in a fraction of seconds. Take a upload in your particular image. While using image time, some people adding for phone number, some people adding for website link. The website link add and footer with the small text. Don't highlight on the URL. Why? Because we are uploading an image everything on Google Map with the proper content what we are expose our services that we can upload will be here. So just wait a second. Sometime will be not uploading proper image. Your text will be very important. Everything more important you are particular uploading any mails are here. Function with the URL on our website. Posted. It is not applicable image. The simple your post content along with your add content. If image applicable, simple add post. What are the image you are uploading will be here. Upload it. You can make upload image also applicable by your Google Map option. But if you are any post rejected on your Google Map without image update on your Google Map option, don't add images while rejected your post on your Google Map. After some time refresh, your post as visible will be here. So this application you have to follow it each and every posting on Google Map option. Which image is not applicable? Add on your image format. That is add photo format, upload it and use it. If any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support. Sometimes we are lot of message and lot of calls I'm not responding. Please try to understanding. Read back your message on WhatsApp. Definitely I will call anytime for your particular issue. I will resolve it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.